Miracle Tree Magic Cure? Is Moringa the answer we've been searching for? This miracle tree, as it's often called, has taken the wellness world by storm. From boosting energy to fighting inflammation, Moringa Magic promises a lot. But can it really deliver? Let's dig in and separate the hype from reality. We've all been bombarded with miracle cures before. Skepticism is healthy, especially when it comes to our health. Moringa Magic, a popular supplement derived from the Moringa oleifera plant, claims to offer a wide range of benefits. But are these claims too good to be true? That's what we're here to find out. Over the next few sections, we'll examine the science behind Moringa, analyze real customer reviews, and address any potential risks. By the end, you'll have the information you need to decide if Moringa Magic is right for you. Let's embark on this journey together, exploring the potential of Moringa and whether it lives up to its magical reputation. Moringa Magic comes in various forms. You can find it as a powder, capsule, or even tea. The main ingredient is, of course, moringa. This plant, native to parts of Africa and Asia, is packed with nutrients. Moringa boasts vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Proponents of Moringa Magic claim it can boost your immune system, improve digestion, and even enhance cognitive function. Some even say it helps with weight loss and blood sugar control. The list of potential benefits is long and impressive. But we need to look beyond marketing claims. It's time to delve into the science and see what researchers have to say about Moringa's true potential. Moringa does contain an impressive nutritional profile. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as minerals like calcium and potassium. These nutrients are essential for overall health and well-being. Studies have shown that Moringa has antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. This, in turn, may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Some research suggests that Moringa can help lower blood sugar levels. This is potentially good news for people with type 2 diabetes. However, more research is needed in this area. While these early findings are promising, more research is needed to confirm many of the claimed benefits of Moringa. Many studies have been conducted on animals or in small groups of people. Section 4. Moringa Magic in the Real World. What are people saying? Online reviews for Moringa Magic are mixed. Some users rave about its positive effects. They report increased energy levels, improved digestion, and even clearer skin. Others, however, are less impressed. Some people experience no noticeable changes after taking Moringa Magic. A few even report mild side effects like upset stomach or diarrhea. It's important to remember that everyone reacts differently to supplements. What works wonders for one person may have no effect on another. Individual experiences with Moringa Magic vary widely. Reading reviews can be helpful, but it's essential to approach them with a critical eye. Section 5. Potential downsides, safety and side effects. Generally, Moringa is considered safe for most people when consumed in moderate amounts. However, it's always wise to consult with your doctor before starting any new supplement. This is especially important if you have any underlying health conditions or take medication. Some people may experience mild side effects from Moringa, such as stomach upset, diarrhea, or heartburn. These side effects are usually temporary and subside on their own. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid Moringa as there's not enough research on its safety during these times. As with any supplement, it's crucial to start with a low dose and gradually increase it as needed. Pay attention to your body and stop taking Moringa if you experience any adverse effects. Section 6. Moringa Magic Miracle or Myth. So, is Moringa Magic the miracle cure it's often touted to be? The answer, as with most things in health and wellness, is not so simple. Moringa does have some potential benefits backed by science. It's a nutritional powerhouse with antioxidant properties. Some studies suggest it may help lower blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation. However, more research is needed to confirm these benefits. Customer reviews are mixed, with some people experiencing positive results and others noticing no difference. While generally safe, Moringa can cause mild side effects in some individuals. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to try Moringa Magic is a personal one. Weigh the potential benefits and risks, consult with your doctor, and listen to your body.